Hi guys, this is not gonna be a long one, but my file got corrupted, so I couldn't show the step by step. So I'm just gonna do a quick breakdown of a stance beat. I don't really know what a stance beat is. Maybe you can tell me in the comments, but this beat is just sort of like mostly bass focused, and it's just groove and vibe. So I'm just gonna play it now. So that's pretty much the beat, guys. Get the FLP, it'll be in the description, and see what you can do with this project. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this particular project, and tell me a bit more about what stance music is. I feel like there's just so many subgenres of music happening in Amapiano. All I can say is what it sounds like, but I don't really know what it is. So if you know, let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching.